Prepare to be amazed as we unravel the secrets behind drone flight mechanics. We'll dive into the power behind drone flight, unveiling the intricate motors and propellers. Next, we'll uncover the science of generating lift, defying gravity, and keeping drones airborne. Mastering movement is key, and we'll delve into the controls that govern throttle, pitch, roll, and yaw. We'll reveal the stabilization secrets, exploring the sensors and systems that keep drones steady. Hovering is a mesmerizing feat, and we'll unravel the science behind balancing thrust and gravity. As we navigate the skies, we'll explore obstacle avoidance and flight planning for safe operations. From rotary to fixed wing, we'll compare different drone designs and their unique advantages. Drones aren't just fascinating machines, they're revolutionizing industries worldwide with their real-world applications. Looking to the future, we'll glimpse the cutting-edge innovations on the horizon for drone technology. Safety is paramount, and we'll emphasize responsible drone operation and regulations. Finally, we'll conclude by unlocking the full potential of drone flight, leaving you inspired. Explore more about the fascinating world of drone technology and flight mechanics.